Hi guys, it's me again. So today I am going to do, not today, it's the same day as my previous video, but here is another package that I received. What is this? Okay, let's do this. Actually, I think this is a case. This is a case. This is probably dangerous way to open this. I have no art whatsoever to unbox this, so let's put it there. Simple box. If this is a case, so I might not be able to show it to you guys on how it looks on the iPhone. So okay, everything in the box is not just a case. Okay, let's go one by one, and probably I will make a separate video on how it looks and then how to install this camera styling. Oh, okay, let's unbox this. So the first thing, this is the camera styling. I chose the blue one because I want to style my lenses, I mean the camera module, and then I bought a camera screen lens protection film for my phone. And then what's the brand? Okay, this one is Ringke. This one has no brand whatsoever. So this one is from Ringke too. Okay, looks feels nice. So T-Max screen protector glass 2 times strengthened full screen coverage perfect fit design. Okay, so that's all in the box. I guess that's all. Okay, so it goes there. So should I unbox it, or I should unbox this? However, I cannot show you guys on how it looks on the phone for now, because I need to apply it, and it will be on a separate video on how to apply these things. So this is camera styling. Okay, this is the guy. Oh, it's like aluminum. There's like some stickers on this. And okay, it's a blue color. Let's put it there. And then the lens protection film. All of these are small stuff, so I should not peel this, I guess, for now. It's pretty thick, so if I use with this, it will probably look like this, and then the iPhone 12 module is already thick, but let's see in the next video. So as for this one, I will probably make a live screen protector application, and then tear here or open here, tear here or open here. I choose to open, since I probably, okay, this is too hard, just open it here. Now I cannot sell it back. Wow, okay, it's very simple. I chose the matte clear one, so this will also be in the separate video when I can find another phone to record the application on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, since I am now recording using the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So that's all for now. See you in the next one. Bye bye.